Customer is the king for growth in the revenue, and people are the king for growth in the profit. The growth rate of revenue and profit of any organization is directly proportional to the proactiveness of its HR function and effectiveness and efficiency of its key HR processes. The ultimate goal of proactive HR excellence interventions is to achieve holistic success by exemplary growth in the holistic health and holistic wealth of the organization and by managing the HR function as one of the most profitable profit center. The future of work from anywhere will depend on the agility and curation of the performance enablement ecosystem. The cost-effective and curated L&D contents and content delivery systems will shape the future of learning. Our curated digital learning modules for skill certification of proactive HR excellence skills have been designed to deliver measurable people-centric outcome and results. We have developed 5 skill certification modules on proactive HR excellence interventions, which have been designed with the purpose to inspire and help the people who want to shape their careers through effective people and profit management. The module 1 on agile approach for developing and deploying HR strategy is about learning how to align and integrate the key success factors and strategic financial and non-financial business objectives with people-centric strategies, KRAs, and KPI tree. The module 2 on agile organization structure and zero-based manpower planning and control is about learning how to develop and deploy an optimized agile organization structure which is aligned to the KPI tree. It is about developing an army of problem solvers who have the capabilities to solve the future complex problems that do not even exist today. It is about learning how to optimize the headcount and how to improve the ROI on total people cost. The module 3 on nurturing excellence culture and managing change and transformations is about learning how to become the preferred choice of customer, people, and business vendor partners. It is also about learning how to improve excellence culture metric like happiness and positivity quotient, customer centric mindset index, employee experience index, and team effectiveness and collaboration index. The module 4 on institutionalization of digital performance enablement ecosystem is about learning how to achieve 100% top-down and bottom-up involvement in the continuous value-adding mentoring and reverse mentoring interventions. And it is also about how to create a culture of improvement and innovation. It is about learning how to improve the profit per person and sales break-even point. The module 5 on people profit excellence dipstick assessment is about holistic SWOT analysis to discover the opportunities for improvement in the people strategies and people processes. It is also about developing robust and comprehensive action plans for improving the effectiveness and efficiency of the key HR processes. It is about improving and sustaining the global competitiveness in the rapidly changing and disrupting business scenarios. It is not the education qualifications and number of years of experience, but it is our ability to apply the knowledge, skills, attitude, and mindset and deliver stressed results which enhances our maximum market value. Our learning and development model is very agile and is customized according to the learning style and convenience of the people. We inspire and help people by delivering right content at right place at right time by leveraging right blend of digital mentoring, coaching, tutoring and training for bridging the gaps in their capabilities. And because of this, we are able to guarantee more than 200% ROI from the investment made for deploying our proactive HR excellence interventions. It is not the capabilities which we acquire, but also the choices that we make that shapes our future. As far as the choices on what to learn and how to learn is concerned, we all have options to make a choice between learning wrong things in wrong way or learning wrong things in right way or learning the right things but in wrong way or effective learning through right contents delivered at right place at right time. Dream it. Let's do it and make it happen. We cannot go back and make a new start, but we can start now to make a new ending. For registering to our upcoming free webinar on proactive HR excellence or any requirement of in-house webinar on any of the modules, please write to us on uprise.people@gmail.com. Thank you.